I'm gonna show you how to run YouTube short ads. Now, as you can see, I have spent $222 on YouTube short ads to make $3,000. What I did was I ran a YouTube short ad to a high converting webinar, and within a few days, I made $3,000. Now in this video, I'm gonna show you the complete process on how to run YouTube short ads. All right, if you don't know what YouTube short ads are, it's essentially the same thing as a YouTube ad, but a short form video version. So if I go to YouTube and I go to shorts, these short form videos on YouTube are gonna have ads. So if I scroll down, there's gonna be an ad that pops up just like a regular YouTube ad. Now, at the time of recording this video, YouTube short ads aren't available directly on the YouTube ads platform, but I'm gonna show you exactly how you can start running ads even though they're not available yet. Now, more importantly, if you stick to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you my secret formula on how I target people with YouTube short ads. Now, if you're brand new to my channel, my name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of this channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom. I actually started my online business in May of 2019. Before that, I used to work as an electrical engineer. I hated the 9-to-5 life, so I went all in on starting my online business, and within 9 months, I was able to quit my 9-to-5 job in March of 2020. Now, if you're interested in achieving financial and time freedom, then please subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with videos almost every single day. Now let's get into the video. All right, so as you can see, I have spent $222 and I made 2 high ticket sales for a value of about $3,000. Now, what I wanna show you is how I'm running YouTube short ads. And then later on, I'm gonna show you exactly how I'm doing my targeting to get these sales. All right, so step number 1 is you're gonna wanna go to ads.google.com and create a Google Ads account. So it's gonna be this website right here. And the cool thing about this is when you first sign up for Google Ads, they're actually gonna give you a $500 credit, as you can see on top. Now, their promos change all the time, so this may change later on. But right now, as you can see, they're giving $500 just to sign up. Now, the $500 credit is only gonna be for new customers. So if you already have an account, obviously you can't access this. But now what you wanna do is hit start now and create a Google Ads account. Now, I'm not gonna go into every little single detail when creating an account. It's pretty simple because all you're doing is entering your basic information and setting up an account. But more importantly, on this video, I wanna focus on creating the YouTube short ads. So that's what I'm gonna show you next. Okay, so now that you're in your Google Ads account, you're gonna wanna create a new campaign. So as you can see here under video campaigns, you're gonna wanna hit this plus here, and this is gonna allow you to create a new campaign. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to set this up for YouTube short ads. So right now, if you don't know how to set up your sales objective or your leads objective, don't worry about that for now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna create a campaign without goal guidance. So we're gonna click on this here. Obviously, this is gonna be a video ad, so we're gonna click on video, and I'm gonna do a custom video campaign. But depending on what you're doing, obviously you can click on drive conversions, ad sequence. If you're advanced with Google Ads, then you can click some of these other ones. I always like to go to a custom video campaign, and I could change the settings as I go. So if I hit continue here, we can set up this campaign. So I'm just gonna put YouTube short ads test, bid strategies. I'm just gonna leave it on maximum CPV. Now, typically when I run a conversion ad, I'll run a target CPA. All that means is I'm telling Google how much I wanna pay for a lead. But don't worry about that for now. I can make a part 2 if you're interested in that. But for now, you can click on maximum CPV, which means maximum cost per view, okay? So as far as the campaign, I'm just gonna click on daily. And we can start with a simple budget of $20 a day. You can start with $10, whatever your budget is, okay? Now for the networks, you wanna leave as is besides taking out the video partners on the display network. So I'm gonna take that off. As far as targeting, I'm just gonna target the United States. For languages, I'm gonna click on English. And then for related videos, we don't need to worry about that. So we can leave that blank. Okay, this is really important, okay? So as far as devices, again, we're running YouTube short ads. This is not a regular YouTube ad, okay? So what you wanna do is you wanna set a specific targeting for devices. You want to take out TV screens, you want to take out tablets, and you want to take out computers. All we're going to leave is mobile phone. Frequency capping, basically what that means is you don't want to show the same ads to the same people. So typically for frequency capping, I'll basically cap it. Depends how aggressive you want to be. So like I'll do 2 per day, depending on your ad budget. If you want to be a little bit more conservative, you can do 2 per week. That means they're only going to see your ad 2 times per week. All right. So depends on how much times you want to hit that specific person. So anyways, we're going to leave it there. And then we're just going to go to ad group. I'm just going to put YouTube short ads. So for me specifically, I like to target audience segments. And this is how, I've been able to do really well with YouTube short ads. Now, you can target like keywords. So specifically, if you were to go to YouTube and type in, how to start affiliate marketing, right? Basically, now you can target your customer using an ad, right? So you can see here, this ad pops up right here because I typed in this keyword. Now, for me specifically, I've been doing really well just with audience segments. Okay. And I want to reveal that here at the end, and I'm going to come back to this. Okay. This is actually, I would say, the most important part when running a YouTube short ad, because you want to target the correct audience. Okay. But for now, I want to show you the technical part on how to run the YouTube short ad. And then later on, I'll show you kind of the secret sauce on how to target. All right. So now we got to create the YouTube short ad. This has to be a minute or shorter. Okay. So for example, if I go to my videos here and I go to my channel, I created, you can see my shorts. Okay. So all these videos are a minute or less. Now the videos I'm using as ads are going to be these specific videos here. Okay. Now to be 100% transparent, what I'm doing is I'm actually promoting my high ticket webinar. What I'm doing is I'm running these ads to this specific webinar here. Okay. This is my webinar that I teach people how to use 5-second silent videos to build an online business. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this is it's a automated webinar. So, people can go and click on different times here, and basically they can join this webinar whatever time they want. So this is the specific product I'm running an ad to. And this is the one that got me the $3,000 within just a few days. And I only spent $200. Now, I want to be 100% transparent with that and how I actually did that. But that's exactly what I did. Okay. Now with the actual ad itself, again, this has to be a video 1 minute or less. So what I did was I uploaded these videos to YouTube as a short form video, and then I'm using this now as an ad. So for example, if I click on this, now I can click on this URL at the top. Basically, if you look at the top here, it says youtube.com/shorts. That's really important because now that's going to classify it as a short, and YouTube or Google Ads are going to run it as a short form ad. Okay. So the way you know that is you're going to make the video 1 minute or less. Okay. And then when you upload it, it's automatically going to be a YouTube short. Okay. That's basically how you do it. Now, if you don't know how to upload a video, you're simply going to hit create here. You're going to upload video, and you can go ahead and upload that video on YouTube. Okay. So I have my videos right here, and basically I can run this short form ad. So for example, I'm going to click on this one here. This is 1 minute video. Naturally, they're going to know it's a minute or less, and then they're going to make it a YouTube short ad. Okay. I'm not going to actually run this video right now, but you can essentially go through here and upload the video to your YouTube channel. Okay. And then once you do that, okay, I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to click on this. So now that you added your YouTube short ad, all you need to do is click on skippable in-stream ad. This is the ad you want to run. Okay. Now the final URL is obviously the place you're trying to send them to. So right here, I'm going to send them to this webinar. Now, the cool thing about this webinar is it converts really well. So that's another thing, right? You want to pick a high ticket product that's converting really well. So this specific product, as you can see, is converting at $12.33 per click, meaning if I sent 100 clicks, I'm going to make, $1,200 essentially. Okay. So that's, kind of the numbers with this webinar. The cool thing about this is you can actually promote this as your own, as an affiliate. Okay. I'll leave a link to this down below in the YouTube description if this is something you're interested in promoting. The cool thing about this is I actually give you all the YouTube ads that you can run as your own. So if you click on this, it'll actually take you to all my YouTube short ads that you can run as your own. Okay, so I just want to let you know if this is something that you're interested in, because I know a lot of people that want to run ads, but they don't want to create the products and they don't want to create the ads themselves. So I just want to let you know this is a product that you can promote as an affiliate and get 50%. And this is a $1,500 product. You can check it out. It's called Freedom Accelerator, which teaches 9-to-5ers how to quit their 9-to-5 job using 5-second silent videos and affiliate marketing. But with that being said, let's get back to the video. Okay, so now we got to put the final URL. Again, this is where you're sending the traffic to. So I'm going to put the webinar link for mine specifically, whatever you're trying to promote. The display URL, we can just leave as is. Call to action, this is important. I'm going to put sign up. And then right here, I'm going to put quit your 9-to-5. Okay, something like that. And then we're done. Ad name number 1. Now the bid, this is how much you want to pay per view. Okay, so for me specifically, I like to be aggressive, so I'll do something like 20 cents. So that means I'm willing to spend 20 cents per view. Now, it seems like a lot of money. You're not going to spend that much. That just means you're willing to outbid everyone else, okay? So this is the cost per bid. Now, if you don't want to spend too much, you want to be pretty conservative, you can do something like 4 cents, and you'll see here, it'll tell you to spend a little bit more. So you can maybe go 0.6 cents. Again, me specifically, I just like to outbid everyone. So I'll do something high like 10 cents, 15 or 20 cents if I really want to spend my budget. Okay. One thing to note is if you're running these ads and your ads aren't spending the budget, right? So let's just say you have a budget of $10 a day, $20 a day, and it's only spending like $1. That means you got to raise the bid. Okay. So what you can do is you can start with a low bid. Let's just say like 4 cents. So if you're not spending the money, typically the problem is the bidding. Okay. It could be something else, but like 90% of the time is going to be the bidding. All right, so now that you've done that, now we can go ahead and create the campaign. Now, I'm actually not going to create this campaign right here, but I do want to show you some cool features here, okay? So if I go back to my ads that I'm running, again, I want to be 100% transparent on how this works, okay? So I'm going to get out of here. Then what I want to show you guys is how I'm doing my targeting. This is actually the secret sauce right here, okay? So you'll notice here I have multiple different campaigns, all right? So I have campaign number 1, campaign number 2. So what I'm doing is I'm actually running ads to multiple audiences to see what's working and see what's not working. And that's the secret sauce right here. The only thing with that is you do have to spend more money, because what you're doing is you're creating multiple audiences and multiple budgets. And the reason I'm doing that is because I want to know quickly what's working and what's not working. That's the reason I was able to make that money in just a few days of running these ads, okay? Because what I can do now is I can turn off the things that aren't working. I want to show you maybe an ad that's not working as well. Okay, so as you can see right here, this ad right here specifically, I have ran it for $225 and no sales yet. Now, I'm actually okay with that. For me, I'm going to be spending about $1,000. If it doesn't get a sale after $1,000, then I'll go ahead and turn it off. So I'm not going to turn this off right now. But the cool thing about this is if I go to my targeting, and for me, if I go to audiences, I could actually turn off what's not working. So if I go to show my audiences here, you can see I've started to turn off things that aren't working well. Okay, so for example, here I was spending $23 for a lead, so I went ahead and turned that off. And for this specific audience right here, okay, I was spending $53, so I went ahead and turned that off. Okay, now the cool thing is now with this right here, this audience, I'm only spending $14 for a lead, so I'm going to leave that on. Now, this is the secret sauce with YouTube ads or YouTube short ads, any type of Google ad that you're running, is you want to go ahead and target different things and then figure out what's working and what's not. That's literally the secret sauce to YouTube ads, okay? So that's exactly how I do that. Now, you can get very specific with this, right? So if I go to age group, you know, for example, age group 45 to 54, I'm spending $69 a lead, so I could go ahead and turn that off. Whereas you can see the age group 25 to 34, I'm spending only $10 per lead, as you can see right here, okay? So that's the cool thing about YouTube ads, guys, is you really got to know the data and figure out what's working and what's not. All right, so now I want to reveal the secret sauce, and this is called affinity targeting or AI targeting. Basically, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up multiple audiences, and this is gonna help us figure out exactly who our audience is and who's gonna buy and who's not gonna buy. Now, if you stuck through the end of this video, I want you to comment financial freedom down below. That tells me that you stuck to the end of this video and you're ready to learn more. Okay, so the secret sauce to this targeting is you're gonna wanna go to tools and settings, and you're gonna wanna go to audience manager. Now, audience manager actually allows you to create multiple audiences, okay? Now, you'll notice there's two different segments here. This is your data segments and then custom segments. Right now, we're just gonna focus on custom segments, but there's so much to this, guys. Again, if you want a part 2, if this was valuable for you, I want you to comment part 2. If there's enough part 2 comments, I will go in depth on everything else with YouTube short ads or YouTube ads in general, okay? So right now, I just wanna focus on custom segments because that's the secret sauce to my high ticket sale, all right? So the difference with the data segments is this is actually my data, meaning these are people that watch my YouTube videos that I can go and retarget. So most of you may not have a YouTube channel already, and that's totally okay. But what you all can do is you can run a custom segment. That just means you went ahead and created these audiences and that you can target, all right? So for example, you'll notice I created something called custom URL ClickFunnels. Now, this is pretty cool. This is like the secret sauce, guys, all right? So what I did is I put segment name, I just put custom URL, but you'll notice here, I can target people who browse these type of websites, okay? So for me, I was looking for people that are in the ClickFunnels world, right? So we can do russellbrunson.com, trafficsecrets.com, expert secrets, ClickFunnels. And now I have a pool of, 5 billion to 10 billion impressions per week, okay? The crazy thing is Google knows exactly who I'm trying to target, right? Which is super cool. So now what I can do is I can create these audiences, right? So custom intentions, custom URLs. You can see I've created a ton of these audiences. So let's go ahead and create one real quick. If I go to plus right here, I'm just gonna do something like YouTube, competitors, affiliate marketing. All we're gonna do is we're gonna do a purchase intention, all right? So there's different ones you can run. Right here it says people with any of these interests or purchase intentions. That means they're interested in buying these products, okay? This is the secret sauce right here because they're already thinking of buying these products. So I'm gonna target this buyer mentality, right? People that are willing to buy. Now you can run ads to people who search these things, right? So if I were to click here, people that search, affiliate marketing, stuff like that, right? I can do affiliate marketing, make money online. This is people that search. Now we're not targeting those keywords specifically. I want you to understand that. We're targeting the type of people that search these type of things, okay? Google's extremely smart with their AI. So all we're targeting is the type of people. And right away, it starts giving you the data on who we're targeting, which is crazy, all right? But again, I'm not gonna focus on this right here. I like to focus on people with these purchase intentions. This is the secret sauce right here to me, okay? So for example, one of my competitors is Legendary Marketer, right? So I could put Legendary Marketer. So then I can start going through the data, right? Another one is Anthony Morrison. I can start going through this, right? I can keep going through all these people, right? We can do Franklin Hatchet. And it's not just competitors, but people that watch these other affiliates, right? So I can start putting these people that I know are competitors or that, people are buying their programs and are interested in what I have to offer, okay? So now you can see it's starting to give me some data here, okay? Now, the more you feed this, the more data it's gonna give you. And what I do is I go and create these multiple audiences, right? And you can really think outside the box, guys. So if I go back over here, you can really start thinking outside the box. So if I go to, let's just say, for example, people into crypto, right? They're interested in the make money online world, right? So I can do crypto, right? So I can put crypto interested. Now, the cool thing what I can do now is I can do crypto interested URLs, okay? That means they went to these specific URLs. So if I go to browse these types of websites, now I can put the URLs that these people are going to, right? So I know that because I can go to Coinbase.com. So I know right away when people go to Coinbase, they're interested in crypto, right? So I can go and click on this website and click on Coinbase.com. And I could kind of keep going through that. Let's do another one, crypto.com, right? And I can go to all these websites where I know people are interested in crypto, all right? So this is where I can start going to the websites that people are interested in. And now we're creating multiple audiences. The secret sauce now is going and targeting these audiences, okay? So if I go back to the Google Ads, so what you want to do obviously is you want to create multiple audiences. As you can see, I have a ton of audiences, guys. I've been doing this for a couple of years now and it's done really, really well for me. So if I go back over here to Google Ads and I go to the audiences, you'll notice, and I didn't want to reveal this, but I'm going to do it anyways because I love you guys. It tells you which audience bought, okay? So if I go to audiences here, and it tells me exactly what audience people bought. This is insane, okay? So this one is just affiliate competitors, and then you'll notice it says Freedom Accelerator purchase, 2 purchases, okay? So you'll notice here, specifically with this audience, I only actually spent $182, okay? So this is the cool part. So that's the thing about this, right? So you know exactly how much you're spending for each audience, and then all the other audiences, I can technically turn these off, okay? Because I know maybe they're not working as well. So I hope you found value in this YouTube short ads tutorial. And again, if you stuck to the end of this video, I want you to comment financial freedom down below. Now, I hope this video helped if you have your own course, your own coaching consulting program, whatever it is you have. But if you don't have anything like that, now I want to invite you to promote my program, Freedom Accelerator. Again, that program is converting very well right now, and I'm going to leave a link to that down below in the YouTube description, and that'll give you all the information on how to promote it. And if you're interested, you can even purchase the program, which is going to show you exactly from A to Z how to build your online business. Now, if you found any value in this video, please shoot me a comment or a like down below. And if you have any questions at all, let me know down in the comments. I hope this video was of value because YouTube short ads are going to blow up in 2023 and the future, because I know for a fact that YouTube is putting a lot of resources in the short form type videos. So with that being said, we'll see you on the next video. God bless.